Create a new model which have all fields of currently existing model. I am having a model player with my Django app. As per my requirement, I need to create a new model bookmark player which will have all fields of player model. Right now I have two things into my mind to do this. I can extend player class a bookmark player model. I can define all fields of player model into bookmark player model. I just want to know which way is better to do this. Please share with me if there is another good way. Updated question. KNBB's idea to create a base class is interesting, but I am facing issue with one of my model which is already existed into database. My actual models. Models after changes. After these changes, when I am running my Django server, I am getting errors given below. Answer. Finally, I got answer if we are using the related underscore name attribute on a foreign key or many-to-many field into an abstract model. This would normally cause a problem in abstract base classes, since the fields on this class are included into each of the child classes, with exactly the same values for the attributes, including related underscore name, each time. To work around this problem, when you are using related underscore name in an abstract base class, only part of the name should contain %app underscore label s and %class s. This URL. Now my base player model is
If your bookmark player needs the same data but in a different table, an abstract base model is the best way to go. This way, both player and bookmark player inherit their fields from the base player model, but because base player is abstract, the models are completely decoupled. Multi-table inheritance, on the other hand, would still save the fields in a single table, but add an extra table for the bookmark player with an implicit one-to-one field to the player table.
There are some good info about model inheritance here, this URL. Option 2 will introduce duplication, which is always bad. If bookmark player will not have any new fields, only different methods, I would suggest you use the proxy model option described in the link, since you don't need bookmark player to have its own table in the database. If it needs its own table, multi-table inheritance is the way to go, which would be option 1 in your question.